In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Monte Carlo key fob. Replacing your key fob's battery at home is very easy to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, you can go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. The first step to opening this thing up is just looking on the bottom right side of the device right here. You can see there is a little slot along the seam in the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and as soon as you push it in, this thing will open up just like you saw. And if yours is a bit tighter, what you're going to want to do is insert it in and then turn your flathead like you're turning a key just to push this thing open. Now, if yours is kind of falling apart, that's okay. This is actually going to make it easier for us. So you're just going to put these two down and work over here. If yours opens up and this is still inside there, I recommend that you just gently lift up on the battery to pull out the circuit board, because that's going to make it easier for us to pull this battery out of there. So you can just push first on the bottom to start to move this out of the metal housing that it lives in, and then you'll just slide it right out the top. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus on it and the battery information is facing up. So you will just slide it under this metal component, positive side up. And now all we need to do is put the device back together. So go and grab the front of the device that has the rubber in there, and you're just going to drop the circuit board in, push it down with the battery facing up. And now all we need to do is put the back on there and just snap it all back together. And with that, you're finished. You've got a new battery in there and you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the key fobs of almost every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.